Welcome to our skit on the importance of 5S in transforming our workplace. Today, we'll explore how the principles of 5S can lead to a more organized, efficient, and productive environment.
Team, we need to talk about the state of our office. It's time we implement the 5S principles to improve our work environment.
I've heard about 5S. It stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, right?
Exactly. Let's start with the first S, sort. We need to separate necessary items from unnecessary ones.
These documents haven't been used in years. It's time to get rid of them.
Are we sure we won't need them?
If we haven't used them in years, it's likely we don't need them. Trust the process.
I guess having everything in its place will save time. Exactly. It'll be easier to find things and keep the workspace tidy. S1. Media group clean and organized office desk. Team arranging office equipment at stock at distribute_equally. Now let's move to set in order. Every item should have a designated place.
Shine is all about keeping our workplace clean and orderly. A clean environment boosts morale and efficiency.
I must admit, it does feel better to work in a clean space.
Standardize means setting rules to maintain our new order. Sustain is about making 5S a habit.
We should create checklists and schedules for regular cleaning and organizing.
And we should remind each other to stick to these practices.
Thanks to 5S, the team has transformed their workspace. They're now more productive, efficient, and happier.
Remember, 5S isn't a one-time task. It's a continuous effort to maintain and improve our work environment.
Let's commit to making 5S a part of our daily routine.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of 5S. Thank you for watching.